Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is your chemistry teacher from Campus 1 of class 7, Muhammad Smile. I hope you are all fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. So in this hard time we have taken safety measures, staying home, staying safe. In the meantime we will continue with our studies. So in our today's online class we will discuss on chapter 6. So our chapter 6 in unit 6.1 contains the non-metals. In our previous semester we have learned about the metals. In this one we are learning about the non-metals. Less than quarter of the elements are non-metals. They lie on the right in the periodic table. So you have a periodic table over here and there is a staircase line. The red color line which shows the non-metals on the right side. So it is dividing the metals from the non-metals. Left hand side are metals and right side are all non-metals. Group 0, the last group of the periodic table. These are the non-metals. The non-metallic group known as the noble gas. It contains helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Properties are they are non-metals, they are colorless gases, and they occur naturally in air. Monatomic, they exist as single atoms. Monatomic means they exist as one. Okay, they are unreactive. Why unreactive? Because they do not react with anything, as their outer shell are already full of electrons. Okay, so we know atoms react, or elements react in order to fulfill their outer shells, but for group 0 their outer shells are already full. So let's look at some trends that group 0 follows. Their atoms increase in size and mass as we go down the group. So whenever we go down from helium to neon, from neon to argon, the size and mass will increase. The density of the gases increase as we go down the group. So eventually the density also increase. The mass is increasing. So the boiling points increase as we go down the group. Similarly, the boiling points also increase as we go down the group. So atoms increase how? By increasing their number of electron shells. Okay, each time we go down, one electron shell will be added. The next important non-metallic group is group 7, known as the halogens. It contains fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, acetine. So they form colored vapors. Unlike group 0, this time group 7 forms colored vapors. Fluorine is a pale yellow gas, chlorine is a green gas, bromine forms a red vapor, and iodine a purple one. They are poisonous, they are brittle and crumbly in their solid form, and also non-conductors. That is for actually all non-metals, non-conductors. Brittle and crumbly, that means can be broken very easily in solid form. Forms molecules containing a pair of atoms, diatomic molecules. So they exist as 2. Unlike group 0, they exist as 1. Group 7 exists as 2. That means diatomic. For example, F2Cl2Br2, like that. Have low boiling points. Boiling point increases down the group. So similarly for group 0, as we go down, boiling points keep on increasing. They are reactive. They react vigorously with metals, as their outer shell are one electron short of a full outer electron shell. So they have one electron less in their outer shell, and their compounds will be known as the halides. For example, sodium chloride. So it goes with the word halide, chloride, bromide, okay, sodium bromide, potassium bromide, like that. The halogens all have similar properties because their atoms have the same number of electrons in the outer shell. So they all have one electron short. They have 7 electrons in the outer shell. So in that case they have the similar properties. So atoms in the same group have the same properties. I hope you understood it. So I would recommend you to stay at your home, stay safe, take the safety measures required, and thank you. Take care.